I was shocked to find out, as part of just abstract research, because people are saying, Wisconsin, what are you doing in Wisconsin? Well, the Yidden and the whole thing. And then I'm doing some research, and I said, hey, guess what I found out? What was the first university in America to offer Yiddish, and when was it? It was here in Madison in 1916, the first university anywhere. So I'm saying, I'm sorry, my weirdo meter just went off. I mean, really, I'm here, I'm on the edge of a centenary of the first university to teach Yiddish. Well, what happened was the people who had helped underwrite KlezKamp for quite a number of years, Sherry Mayrent and Carol Master, they're fine. I mean, these are exceptionally wonderful people, generous and visionary. And he said, you know, stuff's got to be somewhere. She's got this collection of records that just cannot be beat. And he said, you know, what is the expression? Tachtonis haben nit kinkeshenius. You know, shrouds have no pockets. What are you going to do with this stuff? You know, we think about this. You collect it a whole lifetime. Where's it going to go? Is it going to end up on eBay? That's a terrible thing. You spend a whole lifetime trying to develop this literature. Well, turned out this was a place that really wanted it. We live in an era now that, and I think in a way Aaron helped to set a precedent. You don't need to be in that place, in that historic place. Oh, you can only have Yiddish in New York. No, you don't only have to Yiddish, because Jews were not just in New York. He set a precedent. He said you could be away from the so-called magnetic north, the so-called center of the concentric circle. And I said it's the same thing here. I can do my work here, and now with new delivery systems, with the internet, with reissues, with all sorts of stuff, you can reach out to people with this stuff. Madison can and will be one of the centers. If I have my way, if people, you know, get out of my way, let me do my work, we will see another, we'll see another aspect of the renewal of Yiddish through one of the major universities in the country.